it's me again, Yvonne. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks to everyone for spending your time with watching this video. If you're new here and you're also interested in stationery like stickers, stamps, washi, paper, pens, traveler's notebook, all kind of planners and so on, then you're totally right here. And please be patient with me. English isn't my first language. I try my best here, and of course I want to improve my English speaking. This video will be an unboxing video of the February kit from the Rosey Life Planner. I got it a few days ago and now I want to unbox it. So at first, each kit got this sheet as a freebie with some decorative elements, washi stripes, and some functional elements like some dots, labels, and so on. I really like the idea that Linda will maybe add this sheet or something like that in the future subscription kits. Linda uploaded in the last days the February kit extras on the website. So you can go and shop some stickers, or I don't know if vellums are online too. I'm sorry I didn't look at the website, but you can use my code for the extra items, and my code for the Rosey Life Planner is linked down below in the description box. Another freebie is this beautiful vinyl sticker. It says Planner Friends, and it has a beautiful planner, a pink pen, and some flowers, pink colors and red, really beautiful. And I know myself, I'm afraid to use it. So mostly for the vinyl stickers, I put some washi tape at the back or adhesive, I think adhesive. What I want to say, self-adhesive tape on the back, so I put it completely on a planner or cover and can put it off when I want to change and I don't mess it up. I don't know, I'm sorry. I really slept bad last night, and yeah, I hope you can understand it. So this is a deluxe kit, and I will unwrap it now, everything out of the plastic, and I'm back right now for you. So I unwrapped everything, and I think we start with the A5 vellums, and let me take this one. So here I have a February vellum with a calendar and a beautiful desk with a typewriter and a pink chair, really beautiful. Next we have this one, Planner Friends Make the Best Friends. The third one is some flowers and a pink bow in the middle. And the last one is this one with the planner and the pink pen, like from the vinyl sticker. I really love it. I'm sure I will use it. I don't know in which way, but I will use it. So yeah, the A5 vellums, and with the deluxe kit you get 3 vellums. So at first it's this one, beautiful different elements, and like this tape, a box of washi tape, the girl who's sitting at her desk, here a typewriter, a scene of a coffee or a cafe outside. So beautiful. And I love the rose gold foiling, it's so beautiful. So the next one is a big one with flowers, pink bows, rose gold foiling bows and hearts. Really like it. And as you know, I don't like the color red, but this red I really like. It's not so bright, it's more a darker red. I really like it. And the third one is this one with vintage scripts and some flowers. Really beautiful. And this lace, piece of lace vellum, I will use, of course, too. I will put it off of the paper and I will use it. So these were the vellums. Then there's this sticker, it's transparent, some rose gold foiling, a coffee stain, some flowers, and the cafe outside theme like on the vellum. And here are some little freebies in it too, or what is included in the kits. So at first the planner card of February, really pretty. This has no foiling. Then the February sticker. Here are the scripts, February and 02, in 2 different scripts. The little freebie with some functional this week to do work goals and some decorative little elements. And this month is included again February scripts, stickers in a moment with rose gold foiling. I really like it. I love rose gold. And this planner card is in it too. But I think, let's take a look. Like, I think this way is the right way. So, okay. And now we start with the stickers. So, okay. Let's turn it this way. Yes, this is sheet 1. Scenes and elements. Some lovely rose gold foiling again. And this cafe. And here's the planner with the pink pen again. And the scene with the typewriter. Sheet 2. Scenes and elements again. And again, rose gold foiling. I really love this box with washi tape. So, sheet 3, florals and elements. A little washi stripe, little red hearts, flowers, and a coffee. Okay. Sheet 4. Florals and elements. I love these little elements. When you decorate your planner and you have some space between two bigger elements or bigger stickers, you can put this or these little elements between. And the bows are rose gold foiling. So sheet 5, scenes and elements again. Coffee machine, piano, outside house theme, washi tape. This has no foiling. Sheet 6, the typewriter. This one I really love. A chair with a book on it, a frame with a picture in it. Yes. And here, planner friends make the best friends. And sheet 7 is washi stripes, I think. This way, no, this time there's no description on the sheet, but you have washi stripes, bigger ones and really small ones, and some elements. And in the deluxe kit you get 2 of these. In the Blossom kit you get only 1 of this sheet. And sheet 8 is functional stickers, the date stickers, and yeah, some functional stickers, goals, tracker, sleep, and so on. Sheet 12. So maybe, what was the last one? 7 or 8? 8. Okay. Let's take sheet 9. This is monthly dates. So if you use a undated planner, or maybe for your diary or your journal, you can use these stickers perfectly. And you have some extra weekday stickers. Again, February, a monthly script stickers, and the 02 chapter of Feb and the 02. Sheet 10, days of the week. And so you have with this kit 7 weeks with days of the week stickers, really perfectly for undated planners or something like this. Sheet 11, am I right? Yes. Again, some washi stripes and one bigger decorative element and some flowers, an envelope with a letter in it and some flowers, and some rose gold foiling again. Sheet 12 are the stamps, and when I'm right, the stamps sheet is also only in the deluxe kit. And here you have again rose gold foiling. And the last sheet, sheet 13, is scrapbook style. And some rose gold foiling again. This little old chair on the desk. It's so beautiful. I really, really love it. So now the whole time I didn't hear it really. The dryer is working or on, and I really hope you don't hear it too much or heard it too much. If so, I'm really sorry for it. As I said, I didn't sleep well, and my brain isn't working today, and yeah. And I'm not sure which videos will come in the next week online or how many, I don't know. But yeah, there will be coming better days and again more videos. I know I said in I think in the TN planning or journaling video, or in the last A5 video, that I upload the journal with me TN weekly vertical insert too, but I didn't manage it this week to edit 3 videos and upload it. I speed this decoration in the weekly vertical insert up and uploaded it on my Instagram account a few days ago, I think on Thursday. And yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram account is linked down below in the description box, so maybe you want to follow. And I try to post every day, and yeah, would really happy to see you there and connect there. So yeah, I really hope you liked this video. Would be so kind to give it a thumbs up, would really help my YouTube channel. Thanks so much in advance. And if you have any questions or want to mention something, please leave a comment down below and I will answer it as soon as possible. And yeah, have a great time, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video. Bye.